The 2019 Audi A6 is probably a week away from being officially unveiled, as its premiere is expected to take place at the Geneva Motor Show. However, a set of alleged leaked images allows us to see its evolved styling for the first time, but since we cannot confirm their authenticity, we'll take them with a grain of salt for the time being. At a first glance, the new generation Audi A6 appears to come with a front end very similar to those of the latest A7, A8, and smaller A4. It has a generous grille with horizontal bars, flanked by the new headlights with incorporated LED DRLs. The rear end follows a similar pattern as well, with different taillights joined together in the middle by a chrome strip, and dual trapezoidal exhaust tips incorporated into a discreet diffuser. The rest of the interior looks very similar to the new A7, which is basically a sleeker-looking version. The 2019 Audi A6, to give it level 3 autonomous driving, just like in the A7, whereas power should come from different 4- and 6-cylinder engines. In terms of body styles, the new generation Audi A6 will continue to be offered as a sedan and a state-of-the-art, while the more off-road-ready Allroad will have to face the Mercedes-Benz E-Class all-terrain and Volvo V90 cross-country.